What is up, man? Look, I'm back. I know I keep saying I'm back every time, but this time I'm back for real, alright? Like, don't give me them eyes, alright? Don't give me them eyes. I'm gonna be back for good this time. Yeah, it's another bathroom video. So this time, instead of detangling my hair, we gonna step it up a notch. I'm gonna try to fade my own hair for the first time. I'm low-key scared. As you can tell, I need a haircut, man. Like, my sides are just atrocious, dude. Look at that. My hair dry, but I'm kind of scared, but I'm excited at the same time. So, I mean, man, there ain't really much else to talk about other than get to it, you know? Let me pull it to a different ponytail. Woo. All right, first thing, brush. I'm gonna brush down these sides, get these things nice and laid down so I can separate the hair I want to cut off from the hair that I don't. Get the back real quick, so take a look at that. I know it's bad, man. It's bad. I haven't had a haircut in at least 2-3 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I don't even know how to start. Dead ass. So I've been YouTubing videos on how to cut your own hair. And they keep talking about having your blade open or close. I, to be 100% honest, have no idea to this day what that means. I think open is whenever your blade is like far back, and close is when it's close up. So it's cutting more hair. But I'm kind of scared, man. I'm gonna get this mirror right here, this little portable mirror, because my other mirror too far. All right, man, I guess here we go. Make the first cut. The first line, we're gonna do our guideline. You know, if push comes to shove, if anything bad happens, I'm gonna just cut the, you know, all of it down to like a guard. But I want to fade it though, you know. But like I say, I want to fade it. I need my quarter guard. I can't find it, but yeah, bro, I'm ready. Round it. 3/8. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Now 1/2 and a quarter. That's all I need. I don't need shit else but a 3/8 and a quarter. I'm scared. Okay, instead of that, let's go with the guard first. Let's go with the guard. Let's go with the 3/8. Let's just take it from the top. One good swipe. Not bad. Okay, not bad. Let's take it down because I ain't seen no difference. Let's go with the 1/4 off the rip. There's a 1/8 in here somewhere, and that's the lowest it'll go before it go to naked. I'm not trying to go that low just yet because I'm scared. You still can't tell the difference. You know what? Let's do this, man. Let me move this light real quick. Let's just go straight naked with a open guard, with an open blade, I guess. Here we go. Oh my God. She's making my guideline. Ugh. Let me just complete one full side and then I go to the other side and try to, you know, mimic it. Let me see real quick. I'm going backwards as hell. I know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I ain't do a goddamn thing. That's exactly what I did. I didn't do a goddamn thing. That wasn't shit. I just balled it the whole side. Okay, that was a fail. I guess we'll just ball the whole thing around then since I did that, but let me try this side real quick. Let me see something. Okay. It's almost look like it's fading a little bit, and then I'm gonna close it some more. All the way. Pull my hair up so I don't cut it off. Turn it off. Like I'm fucking myself up, man. Alright. Mind your business. You know what? To be honest, that's not that bad on that side. Look at that. I mean, it's not the best fade ever, but nigga, that's a fade. Like it go from like light to dark, but that side is just straight bald, my nigga. So we gonna just bald it. Cause I fucked it up. I fucked it up bad. Catch y'all in a second, alright? Let me just finish this shit up and we gonna check it out, alright? This shit's embarrassing. This shit is madly embarrassing. It's not funny. Alright, as you can see, I have to take my shirt off because shit started to get serious. Naturally, I got a crooked ass hairline, so that's the next thing I'm gonna do is a hairline. I don't like a really harsh lineup because it makes my, I don't know, I got a scar and try to, anyway, I took the safe route, right? So I left like a little bit of hair at the bottom that's not connected to my top, just to be safe so I wouldn't go too high and chop off my bulk. The sides look alright, but the back you can tell where I left the bulk at. But I don't want my hair up high like this anyway, so you can't tell when I wear it down. You know, you got me messed up if I cut off all my hair. If I fuck up, I would go to a barber shop if I go too far. But yeah, so next I guess is the lineup part. Let me get my little lineup tool. Where the fuck did it go? I said, man, I'm not a barber or anything. I'm just trying to keep my hair looking, you know, from like a werewolf. Cause I needed a cut, and my next cut would be a real one. Bruh, the whole time I was looking for the 1/8 that was in my drawer. Screw it, man. I can't find my good edgers, so I might as well use the OGs, the old ball trimmer 3000s right here. Did this corner, not bad. Fuck it, the best I got. Let me trim up the beard now. Let me see what I can do with this, and we gonna take a shower and we gonna see what the hair look like. They ain't do half bad, bro. Like for a nigga just cutting his hair just for the fuck of it, this is not half bad, dog. I mean, like, it ain't the best haircut ever, but like, it'll pass, you know? It looked like I just got my haircut like 7 days ago. I got that 7-day-old haircut. That 7-day-old haircut. Oh shit, my hair long. Bro, I'm dead ass looking right here, and here go my edgers. What the fuck I was looking for my edge up, dog? I better stop before I take my hairline way the fuck back here, bro. But I'm actually happy with the results, man. So, shower time, and I'll let you see it when I get out. Shit, this is interesting as fuck. This is interesting. It's fun. All right, man, you know what? The cut is actually not that bad. It actually looks pretty nice. Especially since I got all that, you know, shaved hair off my head. It actually almost looks like a fade. Like it goes from low to like, you know, a little bit of decent, whatever the fuck that is up there. A little faded. And it's not a harsh thing like I thought it was. It's actually pretty smooth. It's really, really passable. Look at that. Oh my God. But the back, I know the back fucked up. I don't care. Look, let's take a look at the back. I'm kind of scared. Man, let me look first before I let y'all see. Let me see first. Okay, not that bad. So the back looks like this. Like I say, you know, I kind of left some hair at the bottom because I can't really see the back too well. So I left some hair at the bottom to, you know, give me some leeway to go up so I don't go up and cut my braids or cut my twists. But that's what I got though. It's time for my twists to come down though. They're getting really loose and they're really frizzy. So I'll probably leave it in for about another week or two. Well, another week, the end of this week. But if anything, I would say this was a success. It wasn't as much of a fail as I thought it would be. Like my lineup ain't the best, but I don't really care too much. I'm not really a fan of like sharp ass, crispy lineups anyway. This, I like this. It's definitely passable. It's passable. Not the best, but it's passable. See, like this one here, it's already coming undone. So I gotta retwist that one. I got a lot of them like that. I have like so many that are already coming undone. But to get those replaced, well, retwist it. If I see it loose, I'll twist it. But if I don't see it, I'll let it go. I'll let it make it until detangle day. Oh my God, my hair is soft as fuck. My hair is so damn soft. Oh. Man, I needed that. I washed it, I conditioned it, and then after I conditioned it, I deep conditioned it. Make sure you deep condition it at least once every 2 weeks, bro. At minimum, condition it. Do a deep condition once every 2 weeks. Let it sit in your hair for a good while before you wash it out. It'll make it soft, man. My hair is really soft. Like, it hasn't been as soft in forever. But yeah, man, definitely, I like it. I like the cut. I like the cut Jeep. That was my first time cutting my hair, bro. Like, pretty freaking interesting. Usually I get my hair cut like once every 2 weeks, but I've had a chance to go to my barber because as you can see, I'm in a new bathroom. I'm in a new apartment. I moved to downtown Dallas recently. Without fat, the whole time I had my fat stomach out talking. Oh my God, downtown Dallas, it's dope. I love it. So we got a lot more content coming in the future. So stick around, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the cut. I know it's not the freshest cut ever, but it'll pass. It'll pass. And shit, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.